Good morning, guys. Guess what day it is? Today is the day that I announce the winners of our 500 plus subscriber giveaway. So I know that I will not have a Photoshop video for you guys this morning. I had a order come in about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I don't really do t-shirts anymore. I've turned that part of the business over to my fourth daughter, but I had a custom order for 14 t-shirts come in at 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and the lady desperately needed them by last night. So needless to say, I didn't get done until about 1 o'clock this morning, and so I'm running behind. So no Photoshop video for you guys this morning. I will do one for you guys this afternoon, but I did want to get on here and, as promised, do the drawing for the 500 subscriber giveaway and get those winners announced. And so the next drawing will be at 1,000, and we're really getting close to that already. Like, I think this morning we were at like 630 subscribers. Wow. So let me get right into that part of the video. Here we go. You guys ready? Okay, guys, it's that time. So I am on the YouTube random comment picker, and says right here, it says paste YouTube link here. So let's go to my YouTube and let's go to the videos, and we want to go to the one that is the giveaway. Okay, and so we want to copy this link. Alrighty, now let's go back over here. Let's paste that YouTube link there. We're gonna fetch it. We don't want to include replies, and I can check the filters to see if they're, after we do the winner, I can check to see if they're a subscriber and liked and shared. So let's see. Here we go. This is for the grand prize. Let's pick a winner. Okay, so Hazel Anaka Design, you are our grand prize winner. So we will get that. Let's pick for the second prize. Kalkstein, I guess is how you say that. You are our second place winner. All right, and let's go for number 3. I am so sorry. I had to laugh. Lynn had just commented on yesterday's video that she wasn't so worried about the grand prize or the second prize. She wanted prize number 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, Lynn, there you go. You got prize number 3. So, wow, that is funny. Okay, guys, so I will make sure I will post the winners at the end of the video here. My email address is going to be included below. Lynn, I know how to get in touch with you to get you your gift certificate for the $25 Etsy gift card for my Etsy store. So I will get that to you. But for Hazel and, oh my God, mine is so bad. Let me get the certificates. But for the other 2 that won, I will have my email address linked below. So make sure you send me an email. Just let me know, hey, I was the winner. So it's Hazel Anaka Design and